All right, we're gonna put together this lower assembly for the K&M Arms M17S. This is a 308 model, and we'll show you how we're gonna go through and put it together. First thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put on the pistol grip. It takes a standard AR-15 style pistol grip without the beaver tail. Trigger assembly together in the front, which consists of this assembly, and there's a little cam spring, goes in this little hole, cams over, goes in. It doesn't go down all the way, about just a little bit up, and then the safety slides through, and then the trigger assembly can then fall back down. The safety can't come out unless the trigger pops up. So we put that in. We have a little alignment pin. Now the safety will work back and forth. We're going to put, there's a small thread that's down here on the bottom. There's a little detent screw that goes in there. So we take and we put some rock set on it. Just a little bit. We take and we put the safety halfway in the center on both sides, so it's even on both sides. Take the plunger all the way down to the bottom and back it out a quarter of a turn, and then operate the safety on the detent. Okay, so that's all together. We're then going to put in the mag catch. This is a ambidextrous AR-10 mag catch. Mag catch is going to go in. Install the bolt catch. Use the AR-15 bolt catch spring, bolt catch detent, AR-15. Now we're going to work on the fire control group that goes down here, and the cam action and everything that goes in there. Okay, the first thing that's going to go in is this cam that's going to go down in the bottom, and I'm going to use an AR-15 hammer and trigger spring, or sorry, pin, and it goes through. Then I have a small hairpin clip. The small hairpin clip will clip onto the groove that's on the AR-15 pin. I'm going to put in is the other cam, again with another AR-15 pin. We're going to Put on is the linkage rod. We're going to then put the assembly, the cassette assembly for fire control group. There are 2 set screws that come out the bottom. So it's going to drop right down in. Again, 2 more. Two more set screws that go in that lock it in. We're going to put in the QD mounts. Goes on each side in the back. Put the front detent or takedown pin and spring and detent. So I usually do this standing up, but for the video, put the back takedown pin, detent, there's a hole in the back, spring, butt pad, just like that. Nice, crisp pull. Safety is a push safety. Just like that. So this lower is now all together. See how simple that was? There's not much to it. It's great engineering work on a billet lower receiver. Everything fits like it's supposed to.